What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and today we're back with another YouTube makeup video. So today I'm going to be doing some makeup. I still have to come to y'all with a brow tutorial. Funny little side story, my channel was not supposed to be based on makeup, and it's still not. I'm just, showing you guys some makeup videos if you're interested. But my channel was supposed to be on hair and fashion, but I haven't gotten around to that yet, and vlogs. But we're gonna get it together, y'all, soon. See those good up contents, the real reason why I made my channel. But for now, y'all will also see me do makeup. So today we're gonna be doing a fun little look, and I'm just gonna cut to the chase, and I'm gonna just start because I don't want to talk too much. So first, I'm gonna go in with my eyelid primer. I did my brows like I usually always do. And I'm gonna put this white on my eyelids. And I like to take my brush. I like to paint that on there so it can, be a better base. Because this is supposed to help my lids become a blank canvas by putting white on top so that you can see the colors of the eyeshadow better. So I'm doing another layer. Now I'm gonna set my lids so that they won't crease or whatever like they're doing right now, using my Makeup Revolution translucent setting powder. So today we will be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I actually love this palette because it has so many freaking colors to choose from. It's just beautiful. Along with my other makeup palette, it's mainly nude shades, not like a brand new palette. But I can say it gets the job done. Yes, it's dirty, but it's been put to use. Okay.
I'm using makeup remover on my cotton ball to help clean up the excess eyeshadow. You will see me using my finger to add some colors on. I like to blend with my fingers. I feel like it gives it a more seamless look, and then I'll hit it with the brush again. Some of these colors are more pigmented than others. That's why you'll see me using my fingers to add the shadow on.
but this part I will clean that up. So we're gonna continue going on with the makeup. The eyes are pretty much done. I think I could have did better, you know, but it was still fun or whatever. I messed with it a little bit, and I'ma only get better, so it doesn't matter.
I am dusting the excess foundation on my ears. That's it, not a full pump foundation.
Sometimes I do like to use concealer to help lighten my concealer a little bit, because sometimes like it blends into it where it looks like it's my exact skin tone. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this just to brighten it just a little bit, to bring out, you know, my features. Well, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go pop some lashes on, do my hair real quick, and I'm gonna be back to, you know, show you some pictures, and I'm gonna get out of here. So I'm back with my lashes and stuff on. I don't know why I did a bun. I feel like I should have done something like a swoop in my hair. Hopefully I get better pictures. So I'm gonna take my setting spray, because I never let y'all see me doing setting spray because I just be doing a lot. So I'm just gonna set this face. So overall, I feel like I did good or whatever, being the fact that, you know, I'm still learning how to do makeup or whatever. I feel like I did a good job. My lines could be a little cleaner. And this palette is pigmented when you use your fingers, but this is a palette that you really have to build up on. So yeah, so I like it or whatever. I might change my hairstyle for it. So we're at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Press the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for viewing my video. We're on a road to 100 subscribers. That may not be a lot right now to you guys, but for me as a new YouTuber, it's a lot for me. And on my journey, it's just going to get better from here. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.